stand with your feet together. Now, raise your arms, interlock your fingers with your palms up. With an inhalation, lift your heels up, balancing your body on the toes. The trick is to focus on one point while contracting your abdominal muscles. Keep this posture for at least 30 seconds while breathing normally. Exhale to come back to your original position and relax. Stand with your feet together. Place the sole of the right foot on the inner part of the left thigh. Now place your right heel as high as possible. Join your palms together and with an inhalation, raise your arms. Relax your shoulders and breathe normally. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 deep breaths. Now bring your arms down. Slowly bring your leg down to the ground. Come back to your original position and relax. Repeat this with your other leg. Come in a lunge position with your right leg forward and left leg back. Make sure that your knee is in line with your ankle. Inhale and join your palms together. Now raise your arms to balance your body. You can also place your left knee on the ground to continue with the practice. Otherwise, if possible, lift your left knee off the ground. Now raise your body so that it is aligned at the center with the pelvis and toes facing forward. The idea is to squat more and stretch the upper body at the same time. Lunge to come back. Repeat it on the other side as well. Now slowly come back to Vrksasana and relax.